In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and scrolling down to access apps over here. Then click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, tap on your new downloaded one to apply it, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!